counted me out. They thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly, made something.
You too, what it do, man? Boy, we out here today, boy. It's Tuesday. I got a little gap. So y'all know me. When I got me a gap, man, I try to do something productive. Man. And so I ain't tell y'all. Well, no, I ain't tell y'all. Both of my tents broke at the show, man. We were setting one up, and it was kind of rigged up. Ended up being rigged up, man. Kevin was setting it up, and one of the legs on it messed up, right? And the other one, man, my mom called me like, babe, we need your help over here. The tent almost flew away. Even though we had it anchored down, had the weights on it and stuff, man, the wind was kind of high that day. So we had to, I had to go over there, catch that joint, and rig it up. So both of my tents broke, man. My 13 by 13 and my 12 by 12. So I've been looking ever since, man. So now Costco got the 12 by 12s on sale. I mean 13 by 13 on sale for $120, man. $120 regular price, like $160. And then I had a $50 gift card that Big A and his mom gave me for my birthday, I think. So went up there. I was headed over to Costco to get that. Left the shop, man, on the expressway just out of nowhere. Back. I was like, man, that damn rock in my windshield. I'm overlooking the windshield, man. Man, I'm talking about, hold on, man. Y'all probably can't see it. Y'all probably can't see it, man. I'll show y'all once we get up here, man. So I hit the homie Keith up. You know, that's who did my rock repair last time. So we finna head over here where he at. I text him, he said he posted up. So we finna get him to fix this right quick, man. I'm like, God, dog, boy. If ain't one thing, it's another. I'm talking about that's a big chip right there too. That's a big crack, man. That's what I wanted to fix right now. He can say that, I'm cool. Just keep from getting another windshield, man. Hell, he done fixed, I think, 2 spots on here already. Ain't had no problem, man. They ain't spreading or nothing. So hopefully when we get over here, he can work his magic, man. Cause that, man, y'all can't see it because of how it is, how the camera focusing. Yup, it's right there. It's big too, boy. But yeah, we finna see though, man. But other than that, man, everything going well, man. Everything. Yep, getting closer and closer to being debt free, man. I paid Big Zeus off. Yeah, paid Big Zeus off, man. Waiting on that paperwork to process, and they send me my title. Yes, sir. Another step closer, man. So now I have all my titles to my cars, man. All the titles to my cars, and just gotta work on getting the deed to my house. Well, I get the deed to that house, well, he ain't better tell me Nathan. Ain't gonna be able to tell me Nathan, man. For real. Yeah, we out here in Collierville now, man. We're gonna take Houston Levy all the way out. Take Houston Levy all the way out to Walnut Grove. That's where he be posted up right there. But hold on, let me see if I can show y'all. It's right here, man. No, y'all can't see it. But that joint here, right there. That joint big, man. I'm talking about rock hit that jump. Bad. Damn. So yeah. We about to yeah, we almost out there now. Out here passing Briarcrest, man. Big private school known here in the Memphis area. Briarcrest. So we like literally up the road. Man, I still been trying to get my tags for my golf cart. Well, go through the proper procedure, getting all the paperwork and stuff, man. They having this thing called a Mimosa Festival. I'm at the Lemon Drop Festival this weekend, man. I know Jazz say he gonna take his now. I ain't trusting it, cause you know, depending on what cop you got, man, them folks have been tried to take my cart, man. They said some of the folks ain't messing with you. Some of them are though.
You have arrived.
Yeah, he ain't got nobody either, boy. What's up, my man?
How's it going?
As we meet again, you see it right here?
Oh, yeah.
You better say that one?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Yeah, so you gonna take care of it before it take off on me, man. Yes, sir. Get me right, man. Big one too, man. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. Big joint. Yeah, I was riding out of nowhere, man, on the expressway. Like, man. He gonna take care of me, man. Y'all remember from last time, man?
Different truck.
Yeah, different truck. Yeah. Same sign, different truck. Yep, $50 windshield, rock chip repair, man. $15 each additional repair. 901-489-6074, man. Make sure you read the fine print too. Make sure you read the fine print. But yeah, those two, I think he fixed two of them on here. Man, I ain't had no problem, man. That that beats getting a whole new windshield. It beats getting a whole new windshield, man. Yep. So he finna take care of me right quick. I'm gonna record for my social media.
No, I mean I saw the other couple spots we've done before. But,
Okay.
Everything else looks good.
What about do some cool? Yeah, but he got me straightened up, y'all, on the one I bought it out here for. I'm just having them to go over the windshield right now.
Yeah, it's kind of split in.
You do? You can go.
I like that.
Yeah, you can take care of that one too. Yeah. Yep. So, like he said, you know, the first initial one is $50. If you see any more, it'd be $15 while he's already on the spot. So he looked at the other ones. I just happened to see that one right there. Had him take a look at it. You sure can see the split in it. So he gonna knock that one out too, man. I'm glad it happened when I had some time. Even other ones when he fixed them for me, I had the time. I think you came to the shop one time.
I did once.
Yeah, and I bought it up here once.
First time you came out here.
Yeah. Yep, he does do mobile repair where he'll come to you in the mornings. And what is your fee for those?
It's normally $15 more for the mobile service.
Okay. So it'll be $65 for the initial repair and $15 for each additional one. So If y'all need them in the daytime, I mean in the mornings, need them to come to you, you at work, you at the house, can't get away or something like that, book you an appointment, he'll come to you. Yes, sir.
Just do it again, pretty much.
Yeah.
So, if it's not connected, but yeah, that's great. So
Okay.
that turned out very well.
Dang, because when I saw it, I was on the phone. I had called my wife. I said, I don't know, this one look nasty. I might have to get a whole nother windshield.
No, generally anything within the size of a quarter, I know we're good.
You can take it.
We'll
Okay.
get filled in. And most of the time, I can do repairs a little bit bigger than the quarter size. Just have to look at it to see what kind of damage it is at that point.
Okay.
And a lot of times, man, I'll have customers that, you know, it's bigger than a normal repair, but they still want to do the repair to try to get as much resin in there as possible to stabilize it.
Yeah.
So that way you know it's a lot more stable than it is without doing anything. So
Right.
Just one of those high dollar windshields, they'd rather do that and take a chance on because most time you got a really good chance of stopping it.
Right.
Even if it is bigger than a normal size repair, just because it's after you get that resin in there, when it cures it, it stabilizes the glass a lot more than not doing anything. So
Gotcha.
I have a lot of customers, man. They want to do that.
Cause man, I'm hearing numbers about windshields and stuff now. You know, these ones, yeah,
Easy, man.
yeah, man. I'm like, God, dog.
Yeah, it's not just a piece of glass. Yeah, they got all this technology built in. You got to plug this, that, and look at that. And
Yep.
It's crazy.
Y'all heard him, man. Anything, he said he normally could do anything a little bigger than a quarter. He'll just have to see it if it's bigger than a quarter. But if it's a quarter and smaller, he know he can take care of it. Yep. All right, y'all. You got me taken care of on the second one too. Right before the rain come in, man. It's been raining off and on today, man, like crazy. I'm talking about like crazy. We was at the shop. And Reg was like, man, you see that? Like, bro, it's raining hard as a mug out there. And the sun out. But it's been off and on. A couple of these dark clouds will come through here. Them just full of rain, man. Pull down, it pass by, sun kick right back out.